What about we put the insurance on hold? And then if someone were to try to sue me, which they won't, then we just kick that old policy back into gear.
I understand your situation, I do. But there are rules preventing us from stopping and starting coverage. And I regret to inform you that when your license is reinstated next year, because of the suspension, your premiums are going to go up considerably.
How considerably?
Looks like roughly 150%.
God.
Mr. McGill? Mr. McGill, I'm sorry. I wish we could help you, but we just can't.
I'm sorry. It's hard. Very, very hard. I'm just having a rough time. I just need a break. Just one break. And I know you can't do anything. But I'm getting run out on this community service and getting ripped off left and right, and my car won't start. My gal is disappointed in me, and my brother. My brother is sick, and he's alone. I spent years caring for him, and now he hates me. He's the only family I got left, and he hates me. He hates my guts.
Is this your brother, Charles?
And I pretend not to care, but he's my brother. How can I not? He's mentally ill. He's holed up in a house with no electricity. He's working by the light of gas lanterns. What? He's making mistakes with his clients. He's mixing up numbers on important documents. He had a complete mental breakdown at the bar hearing.
Your brother, he had a breakdown in court?
It's in the transcripts. And I'm worried. If he screws up with one more big client, it's just gonna destroy him. Don't write. What are you writing? No, don't write. I didn't mean to say that. I don't want him to get in trouble with you guys because of me.
Right.
Sorry, I'm gonna go. You're not gonna do anything, are you?
I wouldn't worry about it, Mr. McGill. Please feel better.
I'm sorry. Just forget.